Kevot, chapter 4, Mishnah 13, Rabbi Yehuda said, be cautious in study, for an unwitting error in observance due to insufficient study is accounted as wanton transgression. Shishgagat Talmud, an unwitting error in study. So Rabbi Yehuda used the term Talmud to refer to study, since a student is particularly susceptible to error in the study of Talmud. The study of Talmud requires a student to involve his own powers of reasoning, to compare and contrast one law to another, etc., and is therefore more susceptible to error. Study of scripture, in contrast, does not require the student to use his own mind to fulfill the mitzvah of Torah study. The mere reading of the words, even without an understanding of the text, is considered Torah study. So if you don't understand what you're reading, still consider Torah study. Similarly, when studying Mishnah, although the student must understand the meaning of the words, he does not have to exercise his powers of reasoning, since Mishnah consists of straightforward laws. It is therefore primary in the Talmud that the student must be cautious not to make an unwitting error. The Rebbe in Barim. Another version of the Mishnah reads, be cautious with a student, Talmid instead of Talmud. So, teach the student carefully, since the unwitting error of the student is accounted as a wanton transgression of the teacher, Midrash Shmuel. Hence, the connection between this dictum and the previous Mishnah, which tells the teacher to honor the student with the honor he cherishes for himself. However, he should not allow this honor to stop him from disciplining and correcting his student, Ritva. The word for cautious, zahir, can also mean shine. The Mishnah thus instructs the teacher to illuminate his teachings so that they shine for the student and prevent him from error. Minchat Shabbat, a homiletic reading. When a person's actions are impure, he makes himself inhospitable to words of Torah and misunderstands them. The purer his actions, the greater his understanding. Thus, be careful with your deeds, for the sake of your studies. For the mistakes you make during study are brought on by wanton transgressions. See Bigdi Mashi. Ola Zadon.